Hey guys, so this is our poultry farm. You can see these cute little chicks. So today is the 15th day and it takes 35 days for one chick to grow into a full grown adult hen. So the population of the chicks in our poultry farm is 30,000 chicks. Whoa, that's a lot. This is the chicks hospital here. Every chick is treated like patients the way are treated in hospitals. Same like it. These chicks are treated in this section. Yay! So this is the rest area of chicks. It is made up of rice covers. In Urdu we call it to. You can see the chicks playing, walking around for food and water. So these are the feed bags of the chicks, and this is the feed of the chicks. You can see here it is moving down in the place from where the food transfers into that room to the chicks. This is the whole outdoor of the poultry farm, and this is the place where for example, there is a weighing machine of humans to check the weight of humans. Same like it, this is the weighing machine of trucks.
It checks the weight.
Which tells us how heavy they are. Okay, which they have chicks inside, which are maybe for selling the chicks.